Alright. After it sits, we got the first ride on the Teverun 7260R version 6? Yeah, version 6. This is not the very first time I'm driving it, but like actually taking it out a little bit more. Just gonna take it slow. Get used to the scooter. No fancy angles or anything like that. We're in D2 right now. According to the settings, it looks like it takes me up about 35. I got the steering dampeners basically in the middle. I'm not sure exactly how to do them because I still want to be able to turn around when needed, but I also want to be steady at above 40 or 50, whatever. I don't know how I feel about the thumb throttle so far, but I am fully geared up. Safety first. Still getting a feel for this thing. I did put zip ties on the lock because it popped off a couple times yesterday on the stem lock. And then I finally got it to click. Like I had to push super hard, but just to be safe, I'd rather it just not come loose. Not that the stem would come down, but it definitely gets wiggly. It gets loose feeling when it does. And I don't plan to fold this thing up very much. The goal is to drive this where I want to go. Second here, just feeling it out, getting it warmed up, getting the motors warmed up, all that stuff, and just, you know, building my courage to take it out on the busy road. I wish this street was about a mile long and empty so I could really do some testing, but yeah. So I've just been riding around for a minute, getting a feel for this thing, trying to get the stabilizers kind of locked in. I went out on the main road for a second, go down to the next neighborhood. Throttle is a little jerky, I'm not gonna lie. Very jumpy, not as smooth as I would have anticipated. I'm not feeling confident enough on it to go full bore down the main roads and stuff, just because these are back roads and stuff, so people tend to drive crazy, and you know what I mean, there's a lot of danger with driving on the main road. I love the YouTubers that do it, but man, usually I prefer to take it somewhere, but yeah, I'm gonna keep working out here. We're gonna connect back up to the next neighborhood here. I'm in D3, which is set at 90%. I'm just more testing the steering dampener right now, making sure I can still do the turns I want, because I'd rather not find out at high speeds. So this neighborhood has a bunch of cul-de-sacs. So whether I'm going slow or fast, I'd like to know if I'm going to be able to turn. Obviously, there's a lot of leaning involved, but you know, it's a pretty good hill. A little bit of a burnout, but overall the burnouts haven't been too bad. But I'm going easy on this thing still. Not that I plan to go hard on it, but how I feel about these handlebar grips. They're kind of slippery. The electronic brake, also got to get used to that as well. I have it set, I think, at 4 in D3. And in speed mode, I think it's set at 5. You just gotta, you know, like the Kaboo, you gotta basically turn that thing down to 1 and it'll throw you over the handlebars with how bad that one is. But this one seems reasonable as you hit it.